Hello everyone, it's Bernadette here, Simply Be Art, Cape Town, South Africa. Thank you for joining me again for this video. This is video number 54. In this video, I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour using the paints that I mixed up from video number 53, where I demonstrated how I mix the Flow Acrylic Medium by DALA. I used that as the pouring medium for this video. So I've mixed up a batch of the navy. I'm going to be doing this Dutch pour on a navy blue base. So that's my base coat. In this Dutch pour, I will be using the colors that I've mixed up. This is the turquoise, this is the pearl violet, and this is the pearl red. I will not be using the deep rose because I think it's going to overwhelm the painting, all the pinks. So I've left that color out, but I am adding the DALA's summer blue, and I will add some of DALA's copper as well, and I will also be adding some titanium white into this Dutch pour. So let me get the canvas flooded and then we'll layer the colors. And as usual, we put down a nice even coat of base color, and I always keep a little in the container for touch-ups later on. So I will be spreading this paint. I'm going to put you on speed and then I'll bring you back as soon as I've spread. This is a 50 by 50 centimeter canvas, so it's going to take me a few minutes to cover the base. So now that my canvas is covered, I wanted to show you, look at the deep pigment in this paint. The pigment in this navy blue paint is just amazing. The second observation is that the Flow Acrylic Medium that I used as to mix with my paint, this is the DALA Flow Acrylic Medium that I use to mix my paints, does not leave much bubbles. Even though I've been stirring the paints up, there's not much bubbles in the paint. So it gives the paint a nice rich, creamy, smooth texture. Let me torch this first before I lay down the colors. All right. So I still need to transfer these paints into these squeeze bottles. So for now I'm going to be using the craft stick to apply the paint, to layer the paint. So let's look at a nice design. The next color is the pearl violet. Then I'm going to add the summer blue. I'm going to add the copper now. then the pearl red, and finally the titanium white. Just a quick torch on the colors. So let's blow this one out. I use my blow dryer on the first setting, which is cool, and I use it on the first speed setting. Oh wow, that looks beautiful. Let me give this a quick torch. A real beautiful outcome. I love these colors on that navy blue background. Let me bring it down for a closer look. So I blew some of the parts out a bit because I wanted those hard edges to have a little bit of a wispy edge, making it a little bit more softer, and I love this result. I'm calling this one Winds of Change. So thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you for being here with me to watch this video. Thank you for your time. And for everyone who has subscribed to my channel, I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for your support. Take care, everyone. Stay well. And bye for now.